Hi friends, let us try to understand the concept of exponents using a simple piece of paper. Okay, now I've got a strip of paper like this. What I do is, it is a 2 power 0, means I have not made any fold. So 2 power 0 is 0, correct? No cuts are there. Now let us say I just make one fold of this paper. Okay, one fold of this paper means this is 2 power 1. Okay, 2 power 1. If I say 2 power 1, you can see it makes two folds, correct? One, two parts. So 2 power 1 is 2. Now what I do is I just fold it once again. So this is the first fold, okay? And I make the second fold, okay? That is 2 power 2. When I open up, you see it has got 4 parts now, correct? So 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 parts, okay? And let us say if I make 2 power 3, in this case, let us say this is the first fold, second fold, and if I make one more fold, that is 2 power 3. Okay, if I make 3 folds, 2 power 3 gives you not 6, but you can see 8 parts, right? That is 1, you can see here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Okay, and friends, you can go on doing this like this further also. Let us say if I make 2 power 4, okay, if I make 4 folds, then naturally it gives you 16 parts. That's all. So using a simple strip of paper, you can understand the exponents very easily, right friends? So friends, if you have not yet subscribed to the channels, please subscribe now, because I'm planning to upload many more activities like this in this channel, and whenever I upload the videos, you will get the notification. And please share it with others, so it will be useful for them also. If you got any comments, any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.